The robot is taking the eggs in the fridge. The robot transports the eggs to the cooking area. The robot goes to the pantry for the flour, and for the flour first. Speaking, grasping. Now it's transporting the flour to the cooking area. That goes again to the pantry for the sugar. Speaking, sugar. Navigate to the cooking area, and with all the ingredients the robot is going to cook. It will take more or less 20 seconds. Jonathan, please look at the screen when planning again, and to see what is the next plan, the next thing to cook.
The robot is cooking spaghetti.
Spaghetti. So for the pantry, for maybe oil, what more? Oil, pasta, salt, and water. The water is in the box, in the wooden box. Has 2 ingredients there, 2 or 3, I don't remember. Again, for the last ingredient to the pantry. Now it will go here to the water tap, taking the water, I think it has all the ingredients to cook the pasta. Now again 20 seconds cooking the pasta. Is it cooking?
Yes. 5, 6, 7.
What is the next thing to cook?
He tried to cook spaghetti again.
Spaghetti again. Okay.